Welcome to all Landlord certificates. Your reliable electrical and gas safety professionals inside London. We are the #1 service provider for gas and electrical safety certificates. Exceedingly qualified self-motivated experts are working with us. A fire alarm certificate is a compulsory check for the landlord's property in the law of BS 5839. There are two grade rules that should maintain during fire alarm inspection. 1. Grade A fire alarm system. 2. Grade D fire alarm system. Categories for fire detection and fire alarm systems. The first is LD1 maximum protection, the second is LD2 additional protection, and LD3 minimum protection. All Landlord Certificates Limited is determined to give you the best price along with quality service. Fire alarm certificate costs starting £99 including VAT for residential. Up to 10 alarms cost £99. And between 11 to 20 alarms cost £149. If you have questions regarding the fire alarm certificate, please feel free to check our website or call us at our number. We will try to answer your queries as clearly as possible. We accept varieties of payments that are mentioned here. You can avail yourself of many benefits from us like a client management portal. Please visit our website to get more details and contact us at this phone numbers. Feel free to email us. We also provide other services like gas safety certificates, PAT testing, emergency lighting certificates, fire alarm certificate, fire risk assessment reports, energy performance certificates. We also provide commercial services like commercial electrical safety certificate, EICR, commercial PAT testing certificate, commercial catering gas certificate CP42, and remedial work. We are grateful and honored to be at your service. All Landlord Certificates, your reliable electrical and gas safety professionals inside London.